Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So you open FaceApp and you are greeted by a message about a network error. Nothing loads, filters won't apply, the app is essentially useless until it can phone home. So a network error means exactly what it says. Your phone and FaceApp servers can't talk to each other. This could be due to your local internet, a firewall blocking the connection, or the servers themselves being down. So because the core AI processing happens in the cloud, a live connection is required. Without it, the app feature simply won't work. So fast and easy as usual, let's get you reconnected. First and first, you can go and check your internet connection. This is the most common cause: toggle airplane mode on and off, or switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, and run a speed test to confirm you have a working connection. Then check your internet connection. This is the most, as I said, common cause. I already said the details about the airplane mode on and off, but this time I want you to go through the details of your Wi-Fi. So for example, go through security here, look for the network speed, security, then view more, look for the DNS and all of them settings, make sure everything is looking perfect, check the FaceApp server status. Sometimes the problem isn't on your end. FaceApp servers might be down for maintenance or even overwhelmed by traffic. Check social media or general web reports to see if there is any other users experiencing the same issue. Then disable VPN or firewalls if you are using any. As a last resort, we either gonna go and reinstall the app from scratch or look if there is any update available. So that's it, basically that's the idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.